Hey crew, welcome to London. I'm with my friend Adam today. We met on a helicopter in New York a couple months ago, him and his wife Emma, and we're just going to do a little photo walk around London. And we're starting in a spot I've wanted to go ever since the movie came out with the same title, Notting Hill. So we're in Notting Hill right now. We're going to spend some time taking pictures and we're going to do a little contest. He's going to take shots with his DSLR. I'm going to take shots with my iPhone. And we'll just see, kind of compare what we come up with. So it should be a fun day. Adam's getting some banger shots of this Aston Martin behind me, but I got a little trick up my sleeve. I feel like Julia Roberts should pop out any second now. So we just got to Shoreditch, and our plan was to go up on a rooftop to see the Gherkin, which is this behind me, which is pretty epic, but the rooftop we were going to go up in is closed on the weekends, which is odd. So we're going to head down to Tower Bridge and take some photos down there. What a great day walking around London with Adam. I think I have to concede and say that Adam probably got all the good pictures. That's okay, he's got a legit camera and he's a super talented photographer. Go check him out, his Instagram's right here. You know, the best part about this job is meeting people like Adam and getting new friends like all over the world. So this has been a great day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you next week. I almost broke my leg, but I think that might be a cool shot.